Sometimes you need to turn off Windows Defender, maybe when you are installing trusted softwares that are getting blocked, or you just want to pause real-time protection for a bit. Normally, Windows Defender protects your PC from viruses and threats, which is super important, but if you need to disable it permanently or temporarily, don't worry, it's a quick and easy step-by-step guide on how you can properly turn off Windows Defender in Windows 10 without causing any problem for your computer. So let's get started. Step 1 is to open Windows Securities. For that you have to click the Start menu and open Settings. Then click on Update and Security. Then Windows Security from the left hand side. And inside Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then scroll down and click Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. And here you'll see an option called Real-Time Protection. You have to simply toggle it off. You will get a warning that your PC might be vulnerable. That's normal because now Windows Defender won't scan things automatically. And you have to note that Windows might turn off Defender back on automatically after a restart to keep your PC safe. So if you need to off it permanently, you'll have to make more advanced changes, but for temporary disabling, this is the safe and easy method. And that's how you can turn off Windows Defender on Windows 10 quickly and safely. If you just needed a quick break from real-time scanning, you are all set. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like that, and if you have any other question or need help with something else, you can drop it in the comments. I love to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.